Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites, Excel 2016 or Microsoft 365, and the website endpoint type, API or CSV feed. Once done, enable the Developer tab and open Get and Transform because that tool pulls data cleanly. Make sure you have any API key or public CSV URL available. Without credentials, requests fail. Now, choose Get Data from Web to begin. This initiates the connection and shows why Power Query matters. It controls parsing, refresh, and transformation at the source. Once the connector opens, paste the CSV URL or the API endpoint and pick the correct method. If the site uses an API, set authentication. Basic or Web API token and headers. If public CSV, choose anonymous. Then load the Power Query editor. Here you transform columns, change data types, and filter out noise. Make sure to apply steps in order. Power Query records them. Also set query parameters if the API supports pagination or date ranges, because that controls the data volume you fetch. Load the cleaned query to a sheet or the data model, and then configure refresh, manual or scheduled refresh in Excel or Power Automate. Once loaded, you can refresh to pull updates. Use incremental refresh or pagination for big sites to save time. If something goes wrong, check the URL, headers, API key, and rate limits. Many failures are authentication or CORS related. Finally, clear cache and preview responses in Postman or browser to isolate issues, and then adjust query steps until the data loads reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.